What are you eating? Ma? Fin. Serniki muffin. Where are we going, Bella?
Oh my cousin.
To your cousin's dedication.
From Mickey Mouse Clubhouse soundtrack version by They Might Be
We're on our
Giants
way
for
to
kids on Spotify.
Pampanga.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Sunduin muna namin si Lola at Lolo.
It's loading.
Dito kami sa may McDo. Nag-drive-thru kasi gutom na kami.
No nuggets.
No nuggets, Belle! Is it okay? Yung Bellach ka. So, kakain muna kami ng breakfast kasi gutom na si Papa Jen. I ordered a laking. Papa ordered chicken burger. Say cheese! Tinanggal namin yung car seat ni Bella kasi akala namin sasama yung lola niya pero hindi pala. Yan, nakatayo ang bata. Gusto niya kasi mag-poop. Ayaw niyang umupo. Wacky face? Okay. Show me your wacky face. Wow. Say cheese. You okay? You're sa live power, sleeping. Okay, for the first time, na-meet na ni Bella yung cousin niya. Hi, Caleb! Hi! So, kakarating lang namin, na-late kami. Matraffic kasi dun sa NLEX. Take turns to take a photo of your cousins, okay? This is Kuya. Who is this, Kuya? Kaden. Kuya, Caleb. And do you want to drink water, Belle? Okay, get your water inside the bag.
I have a water too.
Andito na kami sa Park Cal. Yeah. So, galing kaming Pampanga. Galing sa binyag ng anak ng pinsan ko. Dito na kami sa Pasay. Nagsaglit na kami dito sa Park Cal para mag-dinner. Pero, before mag-dinner, nakatlakan muna kami. Hey, Lolo! May namimigay ng flyers kanina. Tapos may kasamang balloon. May opening ng bagong play area ng mga bata. Belle, show me! So cute!
Planning to showroom view.
Okay. Huh? Do you want a scooter? She's happy. She got a balloon. So we're gonna check this playground for the kids. Kasi next time, pag pumunta kami dito, dalhin namin si Bella. What? Okay, checking the flyer. Okay.
It's can fly in the sky. Look.
Yeah.
Fly in the
It
sky.
can fly in the sky.
ride dinosaur. Ride the dinosaur. Huh?
Let's go.
Jenya is buying juice from this vending machine. So cool, babe.
Cash only.
Cash only. So in Thailand, they also have this. As far as
No, you can use card but no QR payment.
ah, okay. Gosh, I miss this, babe.
Oh gosh, you need to pay. Wait.
Dati sa Thailand, ito din yung binibilhan namin ng orange juice. Kasi sobrang convenient kahit nasaan ka
You
pwede
have a
kang...
concert, please.
Ha? No, I don't have.
Oh,
So one cup
3, 4,
costs
5, 6,
100
7,
pesos.
Wait, 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4.
I said it.
Sobrang daming in order ah. Are you not scared?
Oh, mommy.
Don't bump Mama, Papa, please. Bella! Kakatapos lang namin mag early dinner, si Bella at si Jenya nakasakay sa dinosaur. Yan, before kami umuwi, pina-enjoy muna namin ng todo si Bella para mamaya pag-uwi namin, magpapahinga na lang siya, matulog siya ng maaga kasi hindi siya nakanap ng matagal, ng mahabang nap. And dito, ang ganda pala dito sa sa Parkal. Maraming outdoor activities. Next time, babalik kami dito. Pupunta kami dun sa bagong playground. Dun sa second floor. Enjoy namin yung day to day. Nakapunta kami sa Pampanga. Naka-meet namin yung relatives namin na hindi namin nakita for a long time. Enough! Let's go home! Habang nag-e-enjoy si Jenny at si Bella dun sa ride nila, ako naman, naglalakad-lakad lang kasi ang dami kong nakain. Kumain ako ng gyoza, ng tempura roll, tapos miso soup. Ang dami nga naming takeout kasi hindi namin naubos yung in-order namin. Mahilig si Jenny sa Japanese food. Sabi niya sana makapunta kami sa Japan kasi hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. Tapos iwan lang daw namin si Bella para ma-enjoy namin yung dalawa yung yung trip namin. Kasi enough!
Up.
Maganda dito kasi hindi siya crowded. Maraming tao pero hindi kagaya sa loob ng mall na crowded siya tapos parang nagkakabanggaan na kayo pag naglalakad kayo. Kasi Saturday ngayon so maraming naglalaro, maraming nag-e-enjoy. Pakita ko sa inyo, may nagpo-football doon. Dito na side, merong nagpa-basketball, nagpapadel ba yung tawag dun? Okay, tapos na sila sa ride nila and we're going home.
Yes.
So, bye.
Bye
See
bye.
ya.